Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch this Hybodus Shark in Fish It Roblox. So the Hybodus is one of the coolest prehistoric sharks in the game, and here I'm going to show you the location and the best time of day to find them, and of course the gear setup that you need to catch this mythic dire fish. So as for the location, as you guys can see, I've already inside the Esoteric tabs. This is where you can catch the shark, and I'm going to show you my exact locations to catch it. So I go in here and I climb up this stone near the altar. Okay, so this is where I caught the mythic Hybodus Shark in the Esoteric tabs, and I'm using the element rod with the singularity bait. And for the time, let's see in here, it can be caught actually in any time and also any weather easily. So that's how you can catch the Hybodus Shark and Fish It. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.